Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to record audio on Android. At first go to your app screen and then look for voice recorder. Here it is, then open it. Now from here tap on this red icon to record any audio. Then just tap on it and you can see that will start recording audio. And then tap on this stop icon to end this recording. And then tap on save and it's done. Here you can see your recorded audio. Now if you cannot find any built-in voice recorder app in your phone, then just open your Google Play Store and then search for voice recorder. Then tap on install and give it a moment. And the download is complete. Then just open the app. Then allow microphone access. Then tap on allow again to get notifications. Now just tap on this icon to record any audio. And you can see that will start recording audio. Then just tap on this stop icon again to end your recording. And that's it. You have successfully recorded audio in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.